In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam Notifications Friends Chat. If you're tired of pop-ups and sounds interrupting your gameplay or work, this quick walkthrough will help you quiet things down without missing anything important when you choose to check it later. First, open the Steam client on your computer. In the top left corner, click on the Steam menu, then select Settings. This opens the control center for your account and app preferences. On the left sidebar, click Notifications. This page groups all the alerts Steam can show you, so we'll focus on the ones that relate to friends and chat. Let's start with friend activity. Under the friend notifications section, look for the options that say when a friend comes online and when a friend joins a game. For each of these, turn off Show Toast. A toast is that small pop-up that appears in the corner of your screen, and disabling it removes the visual interruption. While you're there, also turn off Play Sound for those same items. That way, Steam won't play any alert tones in the background. With both the pop-up and the sound disabled, you'll still be able to view friend status changes when you open the friends list or the Steam window, but you won't be notified in the moment. Next, let's quiet chat and message alerts. Find the options for when I receive a direct message and chat room notifications. Turn off their notifications so you won't get interrupted by messages while you're busy. If you see a show notification toast drop down for these chat items, set it to never. That ensures no pop-up banners appear for new messages. You can still check your chats manually at any time. This just stops Steam from pulling your attention away with alerts. A quick note, these changes help keep your session distraction-free, especially during full-screen games or streams. If you're worried about missing something, remember that nothing is deleted. You're simply controlling how and when you're notified. You can revisit this same notifications panel anytime to turn specific items back on, or fine-tune just one or two alerts that matter to you. Once you've made these adjustments, you can close the settings window. Your choices take effect right away, so you should notice the difference immediately the next time a friend signs on or a message comes in. That's it, simple and effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.